What's up, everybody? I'm pulling up to my boy Gary's. Let's do it. Straight chilling right now. As always, I gotta pull up and buy my boy a drink real quick. You feel me? Especially right now, it's hot as balls. I hate these dips with all my life. I'm lucky there's no car there, but I usually can't go over there. So what the homie Gary's gonna be installing today is JDI. JDI kill switch, Jordan distributors, man. Good quality, good stuff, man. It's about time that the car needs an extra set of security. Oof, this thing looks too damn good. Even with all those spider web swirls and everything. I keep my boy Gary hydrated. Alright, so if you guys don't know what this is a kill switch, right? It has all the buttons and everything, right? So, being that it's a safety device, I'm not gonna record it for you guys because then it defeats the purpose of the whole security on the car. And so I'll catch you guys once it's installed, and that's it. Can't show you guys where the button is at, because like I said, it's a security device, so it defeats the whole point of it being a security device. Oh, by the way, Civic's still for sale. Gary needs it out of here, so if you guys are serious, he's selling it for $1,000. Pretty clean body. Comes with the wiring harness, no ECU, full interior. Let me see if he has it open here on the hood here so I can show you guys a lot. It's clean, so it's ready to go, man. K-swap, H series, D series, B series, whatever you guys want. It's pretty clean. Pretty sure it should be open right here. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Let the homie know. All right, so right now, kill switch has been installed. So look, so the kill switch is on right now. That's my boy Gary Ej8 over there. So look, check it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the key. Let it prime. And it'll probably start just because it has some residual gasoline, but it shouldn't start at all though. Or stay on. Aha. Try it again. You see? So now, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the kill switch off, and then it should start right up. All right, now check it out. Now it should start right up. Hey. Sick ass vato, huh? One more time, I'll do it one more time for you guys. So now it's on again. You see? Boom, dead. After so many times, it won't have enough gasoline and it just won't even start. Right now, that's just residual gasoline. So look, watch again. It's not even starting. Now I just turned it off. Saz, my boy. Chingon, papas. Look at my boy Ej8 over there. He's funny. Sick ass carrito, man. Jeez. We're gonna see what gaskets we need right now. Oh. Let's turn it on. It's not cold. So next thing that I'm gonna have my boy Gary do is change the valve cover gaskets, the distributor O-ring, the VTEC solenoid one. And the transmission, the customer's gonna drop off that transmission, the replacement one he has, because this thing is leaking oil like crazy. It's probably from that solenoid there. But with the new transmission, you know, it's gonna be good. So we'll have that new transmission, and then I'm also gonna bring him those 3 gaskets. That way, you know, this car is not leaking any oil at all, and it'll be cherry. Sick as well. Sounds like me after eating Taco Bell, bro. That's all those soft Supreme tacos and the Baja Blast. Straight up within an hour. The refrigerator? Gary's getting cold, Gary. My brother Gary. Oh damn, it's feeling cold, man. Gary was like, does the AC work? I'm like, kind of. I'm like, it blows kind of cold out, but not really. He's like, come on, man. He's like, gotta get that AC running right. He's like, what are you gonna have it working right for winter? Gary's too funny, bro. Gary's too funny. This thing's actually getting cold. It's gonna be the first Honda that I have where the AC actually works good in the cold. Can you believe that I've never had a working Honda with AC?
You never had a Honda with working AC?
Nope.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I better enjoy this AC, man, because once this motor comes out, I ain't putting AC on the next one. The GOAT Gary, man. I'm telling you guys, man. Anything you guys need, man, pull up to the homie Gary. Pull up, bro. Pull up. You'll get you right. You'll get you right. 100%. I need to get that EM1 charger. The EM1 is the one that has AC, the AC system, but it's not charged. Ooh, cruises in that EM1 are about a beast. Mac. This is funny. So like I was saying, the customer, I already gave him the money for the transmission. And that one customer, the customer's gonna drop out the transmission later this week. And then Gary will hold it for me here. And then we'll swap that transmission into the car so that it takes away that check engine light, and then I can officially go smog it. And while he swaps the transmission, we'll swap the valve cover gasket, the VTEC solenoid gasket, and then the distributor O-ring inside the Dizzy. And this car should be cherry after that, bro. No problems, zero problems. It should be good. But before we swap the transmission on this one, I told Gary that as soon as the spot opens up, if I can bring him the EM1 first, excuse me. Yeah, I want to do the EM1 already, you know. I'll bring him the car, the EM1, we'll get that CAD installed. He'll do an emissions check around the car, make sure everything's good. Make sure there's no check engine light, no funny stuff that the state ref is gonna flag. And then I'll take the car to Roman, get the car smogged. I'll throw the car on the rollers to make sure that it passes smog, do like a pre-smog, and then after that, I'll already go take it to the state ref. But I need to do an appointment, so, you know, we'll see. My face is really getting cold. This is crazy, bro. It feels nice. That thing feels too nice, Gary. Woo-hoo. And now we're in business. It's all just been about VTEC, boost. Hey, it makes it that much better when my back is sweaty, you know? Hey, Gary's like, nah, I think otherwise. Man, my boy got me right, bro. This thing is ice cold, bro. Man, I'm about to be like offer up. Blows ice cold. But yeah, guys, that's the homie Gary. If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys have already seen him. If it's your first time, that's the homie Gary. You guys will definitely be seeing me there at Gary's a lot more in the coming videos. So yeah, I should be bringing the EM1 to my boy. And like I had said, I'm just waiting for a spot to open up, and then I'll roll in with the EM1. You know, we'll get that stuff done, and we'll get that state ref cleared. And after that, it's money on that car. And then on this one, I'll be working on the cosmetics. So you guys will see. You guys will see. So as always, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys, all the love and the support. Take care. Take it easy. And I'll see you guys next time. All right, guys. Peace.